Hi, my name is Alexander. For this video, I created an Angular project where I used NgRx Signal Store as a repository for the laptop order. It is the second video about state management in Angular. The first one was called Angular and NgRx State Management, where we used NgRx libraries. Signal simplifies state management by eliminating common challenges developers face when working with tools like NgRx Store or RxJS observables, such as dispatching actions and managing subscriptions. NgRx Store, best for large-scale applications with complex state shared across multiple components. Signals, ideal for small applications or localized state management. Signal Store can be thought of as a container that holds and manages application state using signals. Application state is a data received via API calls, user inputs, presentation UI state, application preferences, etc. As a start point on the server client side, I used the projects created in a video, real-time application with .NetCore SignalR and Angular 19. It is an online ordering application where each order can be created by one user or by a group of users. The SignalR we will use together with Signal Store to ensure that Signal Store state is updated in real time in each user's client application based on the updates from other users in the same group. Open server-side and client-side application. I added only one additional method, delete order. Before this implementation, the only possibility to delete an order was unselect all items from the order on the client side and send empty order to the server side. But now I have added the button delete order on the user interface. To use Signal Store on the client application, I have installed additional package, ng-add NgRx Signals Latest. I will not repeat installation because the package is already installed. Just one note, when I tried to install the package the first time, I received an error, cannot find module Angular DevKit core. I have installed the required library and repeated Signals installation. The Signals library installed successfully. Open client-side application in Visual Studio Code. Let's indicate the data types that we will put in NgRx Signal Store. The data in a Signal Store will represent one order of laptops. In a data.ts file, we created laptop view interface with order ID, laptop ID, name, price, quantity, and other details. Under Store folder, we created NgRx Signal Store in the file laptop_store.ts. Interface laptop state defines the structure of the data object, which Signal Store state property holds as its value. Laptop state contains the list laptops in the order, is loading state property of Boolean type, and filter property with the type laptop filter, which can accept only one value from the values indicated in the type definition. We will use filter to show all laptops in the order or only certain type of laptop. Let's define initial state of the store. Empty laptop view list array is loading flag false, filter all, meaning that all laptops should be displayed on the screen. Signal Store laptop store we have to initialize using Signal Store API. The first argument is provided in root, means a laptop store service is provided at the application root level, making it a singleton available throughout the entire application. We state argument with initial state of the store. Under the hood, NgRx Signal Store converts all the properties, in our case it is laptop view list, is loading and filter, to a native Angular signals. Methods can be added to the store object using the with methods feature. These methods can be used as the methods of the Signal Store object to update state and performing side effects. For example, getLaptopOrderList we will use to get laptop order from the SQL server on the server side. SendOrder method to send the order to the server side. DeleteLaptopOrderList to delete an order on the server side. To communicate with the server, all these methods use service with the name SignalR service that we created in the previous video, real-time application with .NetCore SignalR and Angular 19. Also, we implemented updateState method to update an order in the state. UpdateFilter method to update filter property in a state. Computed signals can be added to the store using the withComputed feature. Here we added filtered laptop list. Add a computed signal based on the state filter signal. Based on the filter, user will see all laptops in the order or only laptops of selected laptops type. In the laptop order component, we injected laptop store service, updated send order, delete order list, get laptop order list, where we use store methods, and store methods in turn use SignalR service to communicate with the server side. On the server side, all the requests are processed by the SignalR hub, which sends updated data to a caller or to all clients within the same SignalR group. Here the scheme how the client request is processed. User creates order, select laptops, and send order through the laptop store send order method. SignalR service sends order to the SignalR hub class on the server side. Every time when user sends updated order, the previous order with the same order ID is deleted from the database, and an updated order is inserted into the database. This approach significantly simplifies the code when several users from the same SignalR group update the same order at the same time. In this case, the database contains the latest updated order, and on every update on the server side, SignalR hub sends updated order back to the single caller or to the clients within the same SignalR group by calling the client-side method receiveOrder. The method receiveOrder updates NgRx store state using the store's method updateState and updates orders table in the user interface. We also can use filter from the drop-down list to show all laptops in orders table, or only the laptops of the selected type. Let's look at drop-down list implementation. We added select element to HTML code to represent the drop-down list. When user selects the filter, select filter method is executed. In the method, the filter value is selected, components member filter signal is updated, and the store filter signal is updated. Computed signal filtered laptop list in the store contains the list of laptops from the order based on the filter value. We use filtered laptop list in order table method to display ordered list of laptops. When user creates a new order or connects to an existing order, we have to reset the filter value to all and update filter's value in the Signal Store. Therefore, we included these two lines of code in createOrder method and onSelect method to reset the filter and update filter's value in a Signal Store. Implemented read-only property is filter disabled to disable drop-down list when Signal Store has empty array of laptops. Applied it to a disabled property of select element. Start server-side and client-side applications. Create new order. Select laptops. We received the order containing the list of laptops. Apply filter. Filter works. In the previous projects, real-time application with .NET Core SignalR and Angular 19, we created the possibility to add user to a client's group with a group name equal to order ID by selecting the checkbox Add to Group. Let's test it with the current implementation where we use Signal Store state management. To simulate the requests from another user, let's open our client application in a different browser, for example in Firefox. Connect to the same order. Check Add to Group checkbox for both users. Now, using the signal R, users can notify each other about any changes in this order. Add item. Order is updated in both users. Remove items. Send order. Order is updated in both browsers. Open a SQL server. Delete order 55BD. Check a SQL server. Order is removed from database and from users' web pages. Connect to another order. Don't check Add to Group checkbox or check it only for one user. Now, in both cases, any user can change the order, but the notification will not be sent to another user. Add items. Send order. Check a SQL server. We see that order is changed in a SQL Server database, but another user didn't get a notification. Let's change order in the Google Chrome browser. Send order. Check a SQL Server. When any of users click Send Order button, the order is recreated in a database in accordance with the selected items in the user's web page, but another user doesn't get a notification because users are not in the same group. NgRx Signal Store allows us to manage our application's state in a single, easily accessible location. We can create as many different components as required, and all these components can use the benefits of Signal Store, such as reactive updates, computed properties, type-safe state modifications, easy integration. That's all what I wanted to show you in this video. If you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please feel free to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, have a good day, and bye!